A sample keto menu for 1 week. The following menu provides less than 50 grams of total carbs per day. As mentioned above, some people may have to reduce carbohydrates even further in order to reach ketosis. This is a general 1-week ketogenic menu that can be altered depending on individual dietary needs. Monday breakfast: 2 eggs fried in pastured butter served with sautéed greens. Lunch: a bunless grass-fed burger topped with cheese, mushrooms and avocado atop a bed of greens. Dinner: pork chops with green beans sautéed in coconut oil. Tuesday breakfast: mushroom omelet. Lunch: tuna salad with celery and tomato atop a bed of greens. Dinner: roast chicken with cream sauce and sautéed broccoli. Wednesday breakfast: bell pepper stuffed with cheese and eggs. Lunch: arugula salad with hard-boiled eggs, turkey, avocado and blue cheese. Dinner: grilled salmon with spinach sautéed in coconut oil. Thursday breakfast: full-fat yogurt topped with keto granola. Lunch: steak bowl with cauliflower rice, cheese, herbs, avocado and salsa. Dinner: bison steak with cheesy broccoli. Friday breakfast: baked avocado egg boats. Lunch: Caesar salad with chicken. Dinner: pork chops with vegetables. Saturday breakfast: cauliflower toast topped with cheese and avocado. Lunch: bunless salmon burgers topped with pesto. Dinner: meatballs served with zucchini noodles and Parmesan cheese. Sunday breakfast: coconut milk chia pudding topped with coconut and walnuts. Lunch: Cobb salad made with greens, hard-boiled eggs, avocado, cheese and turkey. Dinner: coconut chicken curry. As you can see, ketogenic meals can be diverse and flavorful. Although many ketogenic meals are based around animal products, there is a wide variety of vegetarian options to choose from as well. If you're following a more liberal ketogenic diet, adding a cup of berries to your breakfast or a small serving of a starchy vegetable to your dinner will increase the number of carbs in this meal plan.